In a matter of 30 seconds, Pat's Fisherman's Wharf restaurant and Pat's Edgewater Inn hotel were destroyed by a tornado. I'm Samantha Loren, your St. Martin Parish reporter, speaking with the owner and how they plan on recovering.
As you can see, the porch, this used to be a porch. There's no more porch. This is gone.
Chairs, parts of the roof, and parts of the banister hanging on to what was once an outdoor porch of Pat's Fisherman's Wharf restaurant.
Sure enough, around 6:30, all hell broke loose.
Owner Harvey Huval says severe damage to his restaurant and hotel happening all in a matter of 30 seconds.
I could hear the wind. The wind was really whipping, really loud. It was like a whistling sound, almost like a train sound.
The Atchafalaya Club attached to the restaurant was preparing for a Turlings Catholic High School graduation party.
My club had a few projectiles that went through the roof. I have about 4 or 5 holes in my club roof. That's all got to be fixed. My lighthouse is gone, is down. My boiling plant that I use, my steamer, is gone. It's a disaster.
And many attending had plans to stay at Pat's Edgewater Inn hotel that night. No one was present in the hotel when the storm hit.
The whole hotel roof is gone. That's all damaged. That's all the sheetrock and the insulation. That's all got to be ripped off. That's a lot of work. You're talking about a lot of money right there.
Debris covering the front of both the restaurant and hotel, built by Huval's father, the first mayor of Henderson, Pat Huval. Huval says employee vehicles and a customer's car were ruined by the tornado. National Weather Service confirmed this was an EF2 tornado that impacted the Cecilia and Henderson areas with winds as high as 120 miles per hour. Huval is grateful to be beside his family and for the community coming together to help. He says he's taking it day by day.
Oh, it's heartbreaking, you know, but we're tough. We're some tough Cajuns. We're gonna persevere.
Huval says they plan on reopening their restaurant and dance hall within a month if it is possible. In Henderson, I'm Samantha Loren, your St. Martin Parish reporter, KATC TV3.